Hey YouTube, I'm gonna show you how I fix my crazy dishwasher. I'm always having problems with this thing, unfortunately. My problem was the normal, the heavy, and then the smart auto lights. They were all coming on at the same time. And how I fixed it was I cleaned this part right here, the supply demand temperature sensor case. And it's on the side of the dishwasher here. If you want to see how I took it apart, you can just check out my other video, show you how, and you can see how I took it apart. I'm not going through all that. But anyway, the problem is this part right here. Sorry about the horrible lighting. I'm not a professional. Right there. So I'm going to show you how I took it off. It slides out. Maybe. There it goes. It's got a little track, slides out. Pull out the hose. Disconnect the, pull the wires apart from these cables here. That big one was rough. And that's it. I took this thing apart like that. It's got two plugs and it's got a hose that connects there. And then I took it over to my sink here. I just got my kitchen remodeled. I took a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and I pried off. Just slipped in there. And I took the top out of it. I did that on all four of these. There's the top, here's the bottom. Slipped it in there, got it apart. Boom, top's off. And I took a paper towel and my screwdriver. I took the float out. Float just comes right out. And I took a paper towel and a screwdriver. I rubbed it inside of here. There's mold or something in there, a little bit of slimy stuff, and it keeps the float from going up and down perfect. So I cleaned it. I put it back together. I just dropped the float back in there like that. Put that together, snaps back on. Booyah, it worked great. Part number was $30. I put it all back together and it ran like a dream.